The World Bank has announced USD 1 billion social protection package for India. These funds will be used for the government's social schemes. Here's the World Bank announcing USD $1 billion social protection package for India. And these funds will be used for the government's social schemes. This is a big move, a $1 billion package, $1 billion package for India that has been announced by the World Bank. Let's quickly go over to Rajiv Dubey joining us for more on this. Rajiv, the World Bank has announced $1 billion as social protection package for India, and these funds we hear will be used for the government's social schemes. What more do we know with this regard? How and when?
Yes, so Nabila, at least if you look at global multilateral institutions between World Bank and ADB, they have committed now $4.2 billion. Just the World Bank has set aside about $14 billion to help developing countries fight COVID. Of that, $2 billion has been committed to India so far, and India may get even more than that. $1 billion was committed in April, first week of April. Another $1 billion has been committed now. The first tranche of $1 billion was meant for catering to the health requirements of the Indian population and help the government tackle that. The second part of what has been announced now of $1 billion, this is going to be used in Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, essentially towards DBT transfer and to help the laborers, the farmers, and the community tide over this crisis in the form of the distribution of grains and all the other some of these announcements that the government has been making over the past few days. Essentially, this is a big help because just yesterday Nirmala Sitharaman said that the center has set aside 11,000 crore towards the migrants, urban poor, and the rural poor, and to provide grains and support to them. And $2 billion coming from the World Bank between healthcare and towards the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana is a big move. So $4.2 billion is the corpus that the government of India now has between World Bank and ADB, these two multilateral institutions. That's about 22 to 23,000 crore. That's a very big amount. And that can be utilized both towards healthcare needs of the government of India and the people of India, and to support them, the poorest of the poor, in providing grain and in direct benefit transfer.
Absolutely, Rajiv. When the country has come to a near halt, we are looking at aid coming in. The World Bank giving a package of $1 billion to India. This is indeed a huge move. We're going to be following up on that. Thank you for now, Rajiv, for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.